You won't believe what I saw in the waters of Antigua. I was swimming just off the coast, totally relaxed, when suddenly this stingray glided right beneath me. It was so calm, just moving like a shadow across the ocean floor. Honestly, I almost missed it. Stingrays are such incredible creatures. They don't have any bones. Their bodies are made of cartilage, just like our ears. And despite the name, they're not aggressive. They'll only sting if they feel threatened. This one, he was just minding his business. The water here in Antigua is crystal clear, so I was lucky enough to catch this moment on camera. No filters, no tricks. If you love the ocean wildlife or just want to escape into the sea for a minute, hit like and let me know. Have you ever seen a stingray in the wild?